Gulp. Professional hunter. Many bird species are powerful and fearsome predators. They can attack various types of prey without hesitation. Have you ever witnessed how they swallow their prey whole? Watch today's video to see these incredible moments. Pelican. The pelican is a large bird with a very long bill and is one of the heaviest flying birds. Their typical diet includes fish, but occasionally they eat amphibians, turtles, crustaceans, insects, other birds, and even small mammals. It's incredible how they can continuously swallow small prey with their terrifyingly wide mouths. The way pelicans consume their prey is quite cruel. They swallow their prey whole even while it is still alive. Then they slowly push their prey down into their abdomen by vibrating their necks for digestion. Pelicans feed their chicks by putting their beaks into the mother bird's throat bag to get food. The length of the beak can be up to nearly 46 centimeters. Below this long beak, there is a throat bag that can hold more than 11 liters of water. This gluttonous predator locks its prey tightly in its mouth, opening its throat wide so the victim slides straight into its stomach. The pelican's beak is a terrible trap, even for difficult to swallow prey. Pelicans seem clumsy on land, but they are very agile when in water. What a unique predator. What are your thoughts on this bird? Leave a comment below to let us know. Pelicans, like powerful airplanes, swoop down on the water to join their party. And they are extremely voracious. After catching their prey, they float to the surface and enjoy the prize in their beaks. At times, nature can cruelly favor one species over another. This particular pelican tried to prey on a small turtle and ended up having its beak broken by the mother turtle. This bird of prey would not be able to survive long without its beak. Additionally, pelicans cannot eat or defend themselves effectively without it. An injured pelican. Unfortunately, it got stuck in a mud puddle. Although injured, the pelican still tried to resist the attack of two big cats. Pelicans and swans compete for food. In this case, they threaten their opponents in their own ways. The angry pelican uses its long beak to threaten the cat. This time, the pelican threatened a flock of ducks. It swallowed a duckling whole and was attacked by the mother duck. In one day, a pelican can eat up to 1.8 kilograms of fish. Let's see how they catch fish. The way this bird eats fish is truly terrifying. Have you ever wondered why pelicans can eat a whole fish while it's still alive? Unbelievable. What's going on between them? It is a tug-of-war between a pelican and a seagull over a fish. Blue heron. Blue herons are skilled hunters, capable of hunting snakes and other animals such as mice, frogs, rabbits. Once it catches its prey, it will take it to a location with little chance of escaping. Finally, it subdues its prey before eating it. Great blue herons are highly adaptable and can thrive in most types of habitat. They often hunt in shallow waters less than 50 centimeters deep. The great blue heron is a nightmare for fish because it seems that every time its beak dives, a life is lost. A black-headed heron is catching pigeons in a puddle. It can be said that this bird is one of the opportunistic predators, and in particular, the great blue heron is a threat to pigeons. The process of finding food is always challenging. To hunt such large fish takes a lot of time. In this case, this great blue heron is definitely very hungry. In nature, there are always wars for food. And have you ever seen a buzzard and a gray heron fighting for prey? My meal was snooped on, making the buzzards uncomfortable. The tension is pushed to the extreme. Powerful attacks. The buzzard does not let its meal fall into the hands of others. Faced with fierce opposition, the falcon had to retreat. The epic battle between two birds of prey. The eagle is trying to subdue a great blue heron. Seagull. Gulls are birds of prey with long and solid beaks and nest on the ground. These opportunists eat everything they can find, from raw meat to corpses. Once again, the seagull attacked and killed a pigeon in the street. It then carries its prey elsewhere to enjoy its meal. This action shows the cruelty and brutality of this bird in hunting.